Well, welcome back to Inside Greeley, and we wanted to give you a quick update on Avens Village. Now, many of you have probably heard about Avens Village. We're going to tell you a little bit more about it today. And here, as our guests, we have some special guests, obviously, with us to talk some more about Avens Village. And one of those, obviously, is Aven, and of course, Mom, who is Brandy Mundy. Great to have you here, Brandy.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Well, we're so excited to have both of you here, and we're excited to hear that things are going, I think, pretty well with Avens Village. But what we wanted to make sure is to talk a little bit more about what the park is about and the goals that you'd like to reach, and of course, what it means for Aven.
Sure. So what it really means for Aven and our family is the ability for her to be able to play side by side with her brother, which she's currently not able to do because there are no parks accessible for her wheelchair.
Now, I was looking at our notes here today, and it appears that in order for you guys to even just participate in something as simple as going to the park, it's quite a bit of work. You have to drive a distance to get there.
Correct. Currently, the parks that are accessible for us are within 45 minutes. So we're looking at an hour-and-a-half round trip before we can even really get to a park to play at.
And so this park will be unique. We're here at Island Grove Park to kind of give folks an idea of the location where it will be located. It'll be replacing the one that's behind us, which is good. It's been here since 1991. It's time for an update. Correct. But this is going to be a unique park, and as we mentioned, it's going to be perfect for Aven and for others. Can you give us an idea of specifically what's going to make it better for folks?
Sure. So what we're looking at with plan designs is we are going to have less of the curbing, so wheelchairs are going to be easily accessible. Instead of the mulch that you get at a lot of the parks, we're going to have the rubber padding, which again allows the wheelchairs to kind of go through. There's going to be a lot of sensory equipment, so children that might also have a vision impairment or just like to touch, feel, and hear things, there's going to be mosaics and tiles, special chairs so that Aven can sit in there independently and swing, or special slides so that she doesn't get stuck on the railings that most slides have.
Yeah, and so many of these things we just kind of take for granted, so those are things that we don't always think about. So this is an opportunity, I guess, for the community as a whole to learn about this. I believe it's called, is it a universal playground?
Correct.
Okay, and so this is going to be a first for Greeley. A big part of this, and we've talked about this before here on Inside Greeley, is obviously there's a lot of money that needs to come in to make this happen. And I know that you guys have a good start so far with some great donations.
Correct. So we'd like to thank the Archibald County, the Community Foundation, and Security Federal Credit Union. All have donated substantial amounts of money to help us get started.
Well, that's a huge step, and I know that folks have probably seen the information in the Greeley Tribune, and those have been exciting to see. Now, folks may still be interested. I know that most of the time when it's something like this, you'll take donations of any size, and I'm assuming that's still the case here, and that you guys are continuing to need those donations.
Correct. So we will take donations of any size, and there's a couple of ways to donate at the Avens Village website or directly through Shane's Inspiration and or the City of Greeley.
Now, do you accept, is it just monetary? Can you take checks, credit cards, all of those?
I do believe that we actually have the ability to do all of them.
Well, it's been such a joy to have you guys here today, and I know this is a big deal for Aven and for her brother and for you. Can you tell us a little bit more about, what this is going to mean for your family and hopefully for others in northern Colorado and maybe in the state in Colorado?
Sure. So what it's really going to mean is over the summer when we're home, instead of Aven sitting under the shade of a tree while her brother runs around the park, she's going to be hand in hand with him doing the same thing.
Well, that's huge for her and for her development. And is there anything else you want to make sure that we touch on today to talk about Avens Village and the future of it?
Just that we are so grateful for everybody's support in the process, and we really want to thank the Chambers who came up with the idea initially. It was their heart and their passion that got this all started, and we really do appreciate them.
All right, well, hopefully, folks, as you watching here today and seeing Aven's smiling face, we hope you take that opportunity to go out and to make a donation to Avens Village. Visit that website at avensvillage.com, learn more about it, and see what this project has a possibility of it looking like, and the excitement behind all of that. And we hope that that we get to see that come to fruition very soon. It's so great having you, Aven and Brandy, here today.
Thank you so much for having us.
All right, so again, make sure you visit that website, avensvillage.com, and check it out, and obviously make a donation.